Alright, so I'm back. The battery is a little more charged now. It's at 3.4 volts, not fully charged, but enough to get us here. So I'm going to unplug it from these, and we'll give it an LED test. Yep, well, 50-cent battery is lighting the LED. Now let's give it the true test. We'll hook it up to a Pro Micro. There's that. And ground to ground. And there you go. Powering a Pro Micro with a 50-cent rechargeable battery. You can incorporate this into your projects. Add a port or something to charge into a USB port. And basically you have a project on the go now. You can take this with you. So I hope this helped. A little 50-cent battery can go a long way. So it's always good to break down electronics, especially cheap electronics or non-functioning electronics, just to see what's in there. And as you can see, we're lighting a Pro Micro up with this little rechargeable battery, and it cost me 50 cents. Once again, that's the magic number in these videos, 50 cents. Don't sue me, 50 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The battery does work, so tear stuff apart, and as long as it's not too crazy of a battery, give it a try.